All right, guys, got 2023 Nissan Armada. Factory converted there and there. We don't cut them off. Same with the secondaries, right there and right there. Factory white pipe, and then that's where we put the Borla Pro XS on right there. Offset center, and then back into the tailpipe, goes over the rear axle, and then into the resonator out the back. The part number for that is a 40358 right there. Like I said, out the back, no tip or anything, just left it tucked and hidden. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Like it? Perfect, yeah. I'll say there's the stock muffler we cut off. So here's idle. Idle's about 75 now. Go ahead and give it gas. Looks like it peaks around 82. Oh, we got up to 87. We might hit around 90 on the road, under load and stuff like that, but let you guys hear it on the inside. (2023) Nissan Armada muffler swap. Basically did a Borla Pro XS, left the rear resonator on.
All right, guys, we got a 2018 Nissan Armada 5.6 liter V8. Ba-boom. And you guys say we can't make noise out of these. Let me show you that we can. Factory converter, and then these beasts come with two more converters. So here and here, that's a total of 4 converters. And then it Ys into a single, like they changed it up. Before you used to run 2 of them into it, but now they changed it up into a Y, into a single. So we went ahead and put a Flowmaster Super 10, part number 842518. 842518. There'll be a link in the description. And then we had to add 2.5-inch pipe to it to complete it. Then 3-inch tailpipe goes out the back. Still got the secondary resonator on it. He didn't want it crazy loud. He just wanted a nice deep tone. And there's the tip and that tailpipe out the back. So there's that Flowmaster Super 10 right there on a beautiful Armada. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And here is the muffler that was on it right there that we took off. So, oh, yeah. Perfect?
Yes, that's what I'm looking for.
Yes. I can make it louder. There's a resonator on it we can take off. It'll take that out. You hear it?
Yeah. Can you do it anytime?
Right now. Or anytime, yeah. You can always bring it back.
Okay.
Yeah. Enjoy this for a while, see how you like it, you know? Here's sound decibels. Right at 98. Nissan Armada Flowmaster Super 10. Tell you, man, we'll do them all, from a Grand Marquis to a Nissan Armada to a white van to a Nissan Titan. We do them all. You can see the muffler graveyard, guys. We don't care. We'll straight pipe anything or change the mufflers on everything. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nissan Armada. When other shops say no, come to Exhaust Addicts. We always say yes. Yeah. Go get them. Enjoy, guys. We got a 2020 QX80 by Nissan. Look at this beast. What a beast. I don't know why they stopped making these. They keep making them. Keep making them. Like all these big cars. I love big cars because they fit everything. Like they're going all to the new, smaller versions of these cars. I don't know why they're doing that. I'm glad Nissan's still doing the QX80 and 90 and Infiniti is. They just need to keep doing it because a lot of people have big families and they need big cars like this. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. 2020 QX80. Still got converters, factories, 2 there, secondaries there. Then it wires into a single. And then his wife watched our videos and said, we did another one like this. And his wife said, I want mine done like that. But she wanted it a little bit tamer than the one we did with the Flowmaster. So we went ahead and did it with a MagnaFlow MagnaPack. Part number 10419, right there. Then we ran a 2.5-inch system out the back on each side, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes. For this to work, you guys have to, unfortunately, take that huge spare off in order to fit the duals. There's no way around that, or we can do it only in single. It will sound about the same, but the duals look a lot better on these with the dual setup instead of the single, as you guys can see. And they wanted it on 45s with black angle roll tips. We did a custom Y pipe on it. The whole thing is custom bent to make it fit in there. As you guys can see, there's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off, intermediate or tailpipe, and resonator that we cut off there. And we have one over there peeking, watching me record, learning from the master. I want to learn how to weld like he does. So stay tuned, guys. And it is the Platinum. They just bought it last week, and they drove 4 hours to come to us. So we really appreciate them coming down. All right, guys, here we go. 2020 Armada Platinum Reserve. Fully loaded. We just did a MagnaFlow MagnaPack true dual or dual system. Here we go. Let's let you guys hear it. Is that what you like? All right. She likes it. Here's sound decibels at idle. Let it idle. Give it gas now. Right at 103 at peak. That's not bad. You guys approve? You like it? All right. It's got a nice pop to it. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You don't want to keep any of the old stuff, right? The mufflers and stuff. Yeah. There's no space in there.
Yeah, that's it. I knew it. I don't know if
Armada. Duals with MagnaFlow MagnaPack. Yeah, that sounds phenomenal. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Park. It is freezing out here, guys, by the way. There we go. Nissan Armada 2020 MagnaFlow Duals, MagnaFlow MagnaPack. It's so cold out here, guys, but I'm still recording videos. Look at that sucker go, bro. Beast mode.